This is the Masterbuilt MPS 340G Thermotemp XL propane smoker right out of the box. And I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. I'll be putting it through the paces shortly, so let's take a quick look before I start to cook. This virtual showroom video is part 1. For part 2, click on the link to my full detailed review right below this screen. Welcome to our virtual showroom. We got Masterbuilt's Thermotemp XL propane smoker. There's a lot to like about this design. Let's get right to the main claim to fame here. This is supposed to be thermostatically controlled. Here's the thermostat. And it's connected to the burner system. It's supposed to regulate the cooking temperature. Whatever temperature you set, the thermostat should hold it there, just like your kitchen oven. You got 2 clamp down handles because you got 2 doors, which is another nice feature that allows you to easily tend this cool wood chip tray without opening the smoke box where the food is cooking. Neat, huh? A water pan is suspended under the lower rack on a frame. There are 4 racks. And in the back, you have a sliding adjustable damper. I like this retainer bracket for attaching the LP tank to the side. It's nice to have the tank and smoker stuck together. And this is handy, a fuel tank gas level gauge. The burner also has a flame sensor that shuts off gas flow if the flame goes out for any reason. Nice safety feature. A window on the door lets you look while you're cooking. You don't have to open that smoke box up. Slide out grease tray on the lower left. And you got 2 locking casters on this side and 2 wheels on the other side, making it easy to move this big boy around by the handle. Ooh, it's about 4.5 feet tall. It's a big, pretty looking smoker. But of course the coolest design feature is thermostatic control. And we're really eager to test that out. It's the Masterbuilt ThermoWorks XL. I thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.